walking around in a machine more complex and incredible than any supercomputer ever built. Right, I'm talking about your own body. It's a universe of wonders, performing millions of tasks every second without you even noticing. We're going on a journey inside this amazing biological masterpiece to uncover some of its most mind-blowing secrets. To be amazed by the everyday miracle that is you. The command center, your brain. Forget your smartphone. This is the ultimate processor. There's around 86 billion neurons, which is more than the number of stars in some galaxies. Neurons are constantly firing, creating a network of connections so vast it's almost incomprehensible. It zips through your brain at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. Faster than a Formula One car. Every thought, every memory, every single movement is orchestrated by this 3-pound marvel. It creates enough electricity to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. So next time you have a bright idea, you literally do. Let's travel down to the engine room, your heart. Tireless muscle is the hardest working in your body. Single day your heart beats about 100,000 times. That's over 35 million beats in a year. One day it pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood through your body. Into perspective, over a lifetime, that's enough blood to fill 3 supertankers. Incredible feat of endurance, tirelessly supplying every cell with the oxygen it needs to survive from the moment you're born until your very last breath. Framework that holds you up. Your skeletal system. Bones as just rigid, lifeless structures, but they are living, dynamic tissues. Unbelievably strong. Ounce for ounce, human bone is stronger than steel. Bone the size of a matchbox can support a weight of 9 tons. That's 4 times what an elephant weighs. Fun fact, you're born with about 300 bones. Grow, many of them fuse together, so by the time you're an adult you have just 206. The body's ultimate multitasker and regeneration champion, the liver. Incredible organ performs over 500 vital functions, from filtering toxins to aiding digestion. But its most superhero-like quality is its ability to regenerate. The only organ in the human body that can regrow itself. To donate a part of your liver, the remaining portion could grow back to its original size in just a few weeks. Something out of a science fiction movie happening right inside you. Speaking of regeneration, let's talk about your stomach. It's filled with incredibly strong hydrochloric acid, powerful enough to dissolve metal. And it dissolved the stomach itself. Because your stomach lining is a master of self-preservation, it produces a thick layer of mucus to protect itself, and the cells of the lining are replaced so quickly that you get a completely new stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. Endless cycle of renewal. Let's consider the delivery network, your circulatory system. To take all the blood vessels in your body, the arteries, veins, and lay them out in a single line, that line would stretch for more than 60,000 miles. Enough to circle the Earth more than twice. This network ensures that every single cell, no matter how remote, receives the life-giving blood it needs. Fast signals in your brain to the incredible strength of your bones and the vast network of your blood vessels. The human body is a masterpiece of design and function. Scratch the surface today, but it's clear that we are living, breathing miracles. It is a testament to the incredible power and resilience housed within us. So much for joining me on this amazing journey through the human body. These facts as fascinating as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our world. Until next time, stay curious.